Hello girlfriend, and today I'm gonna play some more Angry Birds Star Wars. Yeah. So we're gonna go on the light side. I think it was called the light side. So let's go to the good guy side. Yeah. Okay. Level 3. Oh yeah. We were the little tiny birdie. Yes, you. I remember what you did. Yeah. Wait. What did you do? Oh yeah, I remember. Okay. So he does this. Hiya! Boom, loser! Oh my god. Oh my god. So sorry, bro. So sorry. Are you okay? Is everybody okay? No, everyone dead. Okay. I have to think of a way to make it an instant kill for everyone. Instant kill! There's something up there that I can't reach. Okay, that is nothing. I must have a way that can kill that birdie. Okay, or piggies. Mostly they're piggies, not birdies. So we can just piggy, like angry birds, piggies, bad piggies. Okay, epic fail. Okay, go, Mr. Bertie. With your rocket ship. Fire! Oh, 360 no scope, that loser. Go. Oh, yes! Here we go, killing him, killing the... Okay, I know there's an easier way to do this, but... Okay, let's see. Aya! Die, you! What? Come on, I can't defeat him. I can't defeat him. It's just so hard. Okay, hiya! And into space. Okay, that failed. Okay, don't care. Hiya! Boom, loser! Playa! Oh man, that was not supposed to happen. Was it? Nope, not supposed to. Okay. Boya and boya! Boom! 360 no scope in midair. We must kill that dude. So, let's kill him with I don't know. Let's go with Obi-Wan. The force is within you, Luke. There we go. Yes, we won. Yeah. One star. Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's continue. Okay, what? Okay, so I have to kill him. The brown dude, I think. It's the brown pig down there. He's the main dude that I really need to kill. So, how am I gonna do this? Okay, aim for the coin, and then this one seems good. Okay, so I'm gonna aim for you. Oh yeah. I did it wrong. Okay, I think I did it wrong because I'm not supposed to do that. That's one weakness. What am I supposed to do now? Oh no! I messed up. Wait, watch this. Watch this, guys. I bet that if I can do this, I can launch it back there. What up? Oh, 360 Oscar. Mommy, get the camera. Okay. There you. Rocking them up. Oh. Yes. Wait. Yes. Oh, in the face. Oh, yes. Yes, in the face. Instant kill. For the birdies. Because the bird is the word. Yes, 2 stars. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So awesome at this. So awesome. Okay. Who cares about that ad? Okay. Ads suck, right? Ads suck. Yeah, they do. Okay. There's TNT down there. Are you serious? Oh wait, I think we need the licky dude. Lickatongue. It looks like Lickatongue. No, Lickatongue. Okay. Oh my god, he was almost instant kill. So I'm not supposed to kill the ones in the front, I think. I'm supposed to kill the ones in the back. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, hit him right there. Go. And we can use you, Mr. Lickatongue. Lickatongue. Oh yeah, go over here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Where is he going? Oh, serious. He exploded by himself. Okay. Let's do it again, except in a different way. And for you. Yes, that's what I did. Infinite. What? Okay. Okay, that seemed like an instant kill. Okay. Oh my god, that poor piggy. Look at him. Come on, suffer. Okay. Die, you piggy! Okay, come on, hit. Yes, come on. Are you serious? Well, almost tried it. Hiya. Okay. Lickatongue. Pokemon. Ah, man. No! Man, that sucked. Okay, you gotta think. Okay, everyone, you gotta think. So smart. Like an elephant or a wolf. Oh yes. Come on, get that last bee. Well, he's not the last bee. Ah man, come on, this sucks. Wait, come on, squish. Man, that pig's strong. He's the strongest pig in the world. He doesn't care. He's like, I don't care whatever nobody says. He's the strongest pig in the world. Come on. All the pigs, why are the pigs green? Well, you know, green eggs and ham. Get it? Green eggs and ham. You know, pigs, green. Well, I know why the pigs are green. Because green is everybody's favorite color. I think. Nope. Not even close. Come on, this sucks. I'm on this level is so confusing. 16 no scope! Derp! Oh! There we go, okay. Yes! Oh! Sticker! But not killing those two. In your face. Yes. Okay, that pig is gonna be trouble. I don't think we need the Lickatongue. We need the... You. Boom! I like a missile. We need another one. Another one. No. It's not over. It's not over until I say so. You. Oh no! He's not dead. Oh, we gotta get him. No, 360 no scope. Come on, you can do it. 360 no scope. 360. 3. Well, I missed you. Almost did it. Okay, come on, do it. 360. Gotcha! Yeah, in your face, loser. In your face. That's how the wolves do it these days. Yeah. Woo, that was so tricky. Oh my god. And I am done with level 11, I mean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, playing Angry Bird Star Wars. Wait, what level am I on this level? 9? Okay. Whoa. I like the music of this level because it's way much better than the Good Guys song, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me playing Angry Bird Star Wars. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!